What are their current feelings? Today we are going to read what are their current feelings. We are going to do a tarot card reading. This is a timeless reading. Gender is, not important here. Take it how it resonates. So this is a general reading. Leave what does not work for you and take what resonates with you. Okay. Use a little bit of, your side also with this reading. And because this is a general reading, okay, any of you who is looking to get a private session, private reading, book it with me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram. Okay, all right, a little bit of voice is there, just give me a minute. Blessings are coming from divine. Blessings are coming from your ancestors in this reading. I don't know who this resonates for, but your ancestors and divine is giving you this reading. Okay, this is 111 here on the clock. Yes, your ancestors are here. Okay, your ancestors are blessing you in this reading. Plus, guys, like this video, comment down below, and let's start your reading without further ado. So what their current feelings are, I'm going to tell you if they have this feeling for you, or what are their current feelings, basically, whether for you, whether for themselves, or for, if there is a third party, if there is someone else in their life or something like that. I'll let you know what they feel currently. Okay, let's see. Thank you, divine. Thank you, universe. Radhe Krishna. Radhe Krishna. Okay, this is Queen of Swords for you, for them, for their feelings. Okay, this is Eight of Swords. Okay, what are their current feelings? If you have read to this reading, by the way, yes, this reading is for you. This is the confirmation coming. Okay, what are their current feelings? Six of Cups. What are their current feelings? There is the Page of Cups. Seven of Wands. We have the Fool card. The Magician. What are their current feelings? What are their current feelings? Ace of Wands. What are their current feelings? Ace of Swords. The Chariot card. The High Priestess. Oh my God. I don't know who you are dealing with, but this person feels like, coming towards you. Okay. They feel like coming towards you. They feel like you are their dream come true. They feel like, always thinking about you. And I see that this person that you're dealing with, oh my God, this is the High Priestess, this is the Empress, this is the Queen of Cups. Oh my God, they're waiting for you. They want to text you, and I'm not making this up. Okay, whatever comes in the reading, I tell you. And there was this message from your ancestors, there was this message from divine that yes, if you have reached to this reading, this is your reading. I don't know why this confirmation came, but I'm not even saying if this resonates or not, but no, this is your reading. Okay, oh my God, let's just tell you what this person is feeling. Okay, now see, first of all, they are very cold right now. They are cold. They are because they have something going on, too much going on in their head. They feel like they are blocked. They feel like, although they are free, but they feel like they are blocked. They a lot of people, or they feel this energy going out from them. Basically, it's not retaining. They are not able to retain their energy. And I feel they feel a little bit of, you know I think that they think that you betrayed them, something like that. It's coming them like you are blocking them. You, maybe you have blocked your person, I don't know. But yeah, this is a no contact thing also. But I don't know how it resonates with you, but this reading is for you. Okay. See, I see them doing a lot of meditation. I see them working on for their higher good. I see, yes, higher good is coming also very strong in this reading. Okay, they want to fly to you. They want to come on this horses to you. Basically, they see that you are the destination that they have been trying all of this for, right? So when you try to succeed, when you try to get at some point in your life, for them, all of the efforts that they are doing, that they're putting, is for you. They're coming to you. And why I say that, because this is the Two of Wands with this Chariot card. um they have been trying to find their feelings. They have been trying to find the courage to come to you. And you know how your energy has, oh my god, you're the Empress. You're the Empress. Okay, they feel like you are the connect. You ground them. You get them to calm down. You get them to focus on the right things in life, instead of focusing on the drama, instead of focusing on negativity. You make them focus on the right things that help them move forward in life. Okay, so this is 7-7. This is a confirmation from Krishna ji. Okay, both are working for the higher good. And this is a 7-2 also at the 7-7. This is a confirmation that you both are working for your higher good. You guys are detached from, so this is a whole connection where I feel that you guys could be like meant for this higher purpose. You guys could be soulmates. Okay, let's just see the Queen. Okay, there's a card that fell down. Oh my god, oh my god, they want to propose to you. They feel like, when is it gonna happen? Okay, the more wait that you have done for them, they have waited for you too. They are like, when is this wait is gonna be over? And this is all coming up. Okay, now I see that there is Six of Cups card, that they're feeling very attached to your feelings right now, to the time that they spent with you. So something is coming up, that you are very important for them, even if they are less important for them right now. But you are more important for them, right? But now, the more they are focused on you, the more they are focused on preserving their energy. And I see this with these two cards. They're hoping for something, they're working for something, they're trying to, yeah. So when these two cards came together as the first two cards, the first and the second card, okay, they're feeling that a lot of attachments, a lot of cords are connected to them. I just feel that. Okay, lot of, there could be, you know it's a family thing, it could be a responsibility thing, that. Okay, so I feel that they are connect. You guys could be dealing with someone who is a married person, probably, because this is giving me that vibe that they have a lot of responsibilities towards them. They could be married, they could be not, I don't know. But they could be a male person, they could be a female person, it doesn't matter. But this is a Queen of Swords card. They are feeling that a lot of cords are connected to them, and they can't, they have to say so many things to these people to get them away from them. Something like that is coming. So somewhere they feel corded, attached to other different energies. Okay, and this is where in the middle of all of this, then something that helps them calm down, that helps them realize that life is a great thing also, is where they have your thoughts, is where they have your feelings, is where they have this beautiful memories with you. It doesn't, yeah. So I see you guys broke up. I see you guys are not talking to each other. It's something is telling me that this situation has a lot more coming. Okay, why? Because your person feels that too. If you have that feeling, because you were someone who waited for them, you were someone who came out from this situation, um, and started looking at your life with abundance, with happiness again, and you have changed all your life. So for you, your life doesn't stop. For you, your life doesn't stop. Even if this person is not with you, even if there is another breakup situation, even if there is something else, your life does not stop. 1111 there. I see there could be a marriage with this person that you're expecting or you expected in the past. Okay. You're still expecting that, by the way. If you have not thought about it, if you're telling all the lies to yourself that this I don't think about it anymore. No, you do. You do. There is a marriage thing that is coming up very strong. I don't know why, because this is 1111 I saw, and you waited for this person for a very long time, and this person is waiting for you now for a very long time. Very long time this person has been waiting for you. They've been waiting to get a text from you. They've been waiting to start new things with you. There is the angel number 12 to 122 I saw. The angel number 122 says that there is a new beginning coming up, and this is coming from Lord Ganesha. Okay. Lord Ganesha speaks of 122 number. This is 1222 now, and yeah, both of you are gonna get new beginnings here. Um, there is Ace of, oh my God, there is Ace of Wands and there is the Lovers card. they are they are fed up to be without you. They are fed up why this breakup happened, and you know why? Because there is something underlying to this situation which you both have not figured out. You both have not figured out how to speak to each other. You both have not figured out how do you take this relationship further. So I feel, you know what I feel in this relationship, although there is a marriage coming, although there is a Lovers card coming, okay, with the Eight of Wands in between, on the top of it, basically there is a marriage, there is the Lovers card. Okay, I see that you guys, okay, let me show you this. You guys met, first of all, you fell in love, then you started feeling stuck, you started feeling weird things in happening in between, you started feeling something like that, and then the breakup happened, the, you know, emotional loss happened. Three of Swords is more like heartbreak situation happened, and then you guys went into this solitude where I see, do you see, I always see these infinity signs. There is an infinity sign, there is a love sign, heart sign. So you guys are mending. There is like so many possibilities with this Hierophant situation in your life and in this person's life. They are waiting for you. They are waiting for you. Okay. Okay, so guys, let me tell you this. A lot of these things are coming up, by the way, but I want to tell you this. They are working on something. They're in the current feelings, they are meditating, they are trying to, you know, build this aura to themselves. When they come to you, they should be enough for you. Like, they should feel secure within themselves, so that you also feel that no, this person have worked on themselves. Okay, this is something like that. They started afresh in between. Okay, not with someone else, but with their life. How I can say that? Because there's a Magician card. Okay, they started something new, where I see that I have this, I don't know why, but I have this feeling for you. You left, when you left this person, you left at some kind of note, because I see you loving them a lot. You love them a lot, and I see that you wanted this person to do more that they were doing at that moment, okay? To do more with their life, to and to grow in their life, okay? So when this situation did not work out, a lot of things, they started afresh with their own life. They started manifesting, they started making more with the existing resources, and somehow their life got simplified with you, right? So somehow their life, so I'm not saying that this life is easy for them. I'm saying because you are there, they have this satisfaction that, you know what, I can live, I can be more at life, and I can face my difficulties, I can face my problems. And that's how I see them, that with the least possibilities, with the least things, they started something new. Um because there was already a tower situation where you guys were, okay? Now with these two beautiful cards, when this card came, I was like, they knew about your feelings, they knew that this relationship is for them, they knew a lot of people, okay? But when this card came, this was more like a new beginning. This was more like they manifested a lot, okay? This is number one card, this is number one card, this is number one card, okay? And this is a zero card. So I can see they have the divine with them, they are working with the divine. That's what I can tell you, that your person's current feelings are, whether, although they are feeling so much, but in all of this, they, all of these things that they're trying to make something happen, and the destination is to be with you. This is what they're trying, okay? So all of this new, so you could find a newness to your person. You could find that your person has a lot of new things in business, a lot of new things in you know, in business, in feelings. They have become a new person. I can tell you that they have become a new person. They have emerged from where you left them from, okay? Where you left them, and they have emerged from that. And it could be like more like you made this possible for them also, okay? Now they're trying, they're thinking of you. But if you have this feeling, when will this person contact me, they have this feeling too, when will I get in touch with them? So if you have no, like, if you have no clue what is going to happen, they are the same, they are having the same feeling. I don't know what's going to happen, right? I don't know when I'm going to meet them, but they are very curious to meet you. They're very curious, and they want to come to you. You know why? Dude, okay, whosoever you are, okay, dude or hot girl, or amazing woman, amazing guy, I don't know who you are. Look at that, this is you, this is the high priestess card. If they are the ones, you are the twos. I'm not saying that you come at the second place and they come at the first. No, it could be a possibility that they are the masculine in it, and you are the feminine in it. But no, you are attracting the best possibilities for you. You are the best person because you are the best person. Now you are two, you are three, you're queen, and you could also be a, water sign. You could also be a earth sign. That's what's coming up. Water and earth, plus a beautiful feminine energy is coming for you. I see when they are starting their ace of wands with the intuition part, right? You are the high priestess already. So you are upping the game. You are taking the lead about your life. You are ahead of them. Wherever you are ahead of them, your partner, okay? You have already started to work with the divine very long ago. They have, they are coming to that point now. Okay. Already they're doing it already for so many times, but this is new for them as it is not very fresh for you. It is new for them, right? And then this is, you could be an empath person. If this two feelings is not for you, you could be an empath person. Okay, you are the right match to a person who is ready to take the lead for their life, and you're attracting that person basically. So yeah, something is telling me if you've been waiting for this person, this is why you've been waiting for this person. You gave your heart to this person, right? There is so much of weight where you have realized that all your life you can't expect a lot of things to keep happening to you. But no, even if the good things, right, you can't expect every good things coming to you every day, right? So you have learned to live your life in a peaceful way. You have learned to live your life in a calm way, where I see you this Queen of Pentacles. There is this Empress also. Okay, if you could be an earth sign. Okay, there's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is an earth sign. There is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio to your energy also, which is water sign. Okay, this is the High Priestess card. Strong intuition connection, strong intuition connection. All of these are strong, high intuitive people. Okay, this is you, this is you. Okay, I see there is a Lover's card. This is where they also have, you guys have invested in each other so much that you don't want to think about anybody else. And there's a Hanged Man situation. You guys are waiting for something. There is a Hierophant situation also. This is also a marriage card, by the way. Okay, not this soulmates and marriage. Okay, you have had so much time to think in life. You had so much time about this. Again, equal give and take, marriage. Okay, 11-11 again, Ace of Pentacles as again. So yeah, I just feel that this situation is worth waiting for. Okay, they have waited for it, you have waited for it. They have waited for it. Now they are doing is working for you. And I forgot to show you this card, but I told you they are waiting. They're thinking of you. They keep thinking of you. Okay, let's see where do I'll just take the closing cards for today. Okay, let's see. Jai Shri Krishna, give us the closing cards, please. There is Page of Wands. There is no communication happening. Okay, the things are not going ahead in both of you. Ten of Wands in reverse. Okay, let's see. Closing card, please. Judgment. Waiting. Yeah, praying and waiting. Closing for today. Okay, I'll take again closing for today. One card, please. One card, please. Two cards. Knight of Wands and Three of Cups. Okay, now there is some kind of no situation with the previous talking, with the past. You guys are not talking about the past. Okay, no communication because of what happened between you two. Okay, a lot of praying happening with your side and with their side also. So they are praying from God. What they are praying from God, look at that. These cards are like that. They are praying from God. What they are praying from God, thinking about you. This is Page of Cups, Page of Swords, and Page of Wands. No good conversation happening between you. They are praying to talk to you. They are praying that God will give them you, right? And we have they want to meet you. they want to be happy where they are basically in their life. Also, I see this person and you have this problem of, if you wanted to see it as a problem, because this is a problem in somewhere in between, your person is a free soul. I feel that your person is more like they can't commit to you for the right reasons, and it's more like they want to see them as free person. Okay, as much as they want to commit to you, as much as they want to reunite with you. Okay, I saw so many cards, but they also want to be free. They also want to feel like a, feel like the life is full of opportunities and they are a free person. Something like that is coming up. Okay, so still they want to meet with you, still they are looking for, they are hoping for everything to be with you. But yeah, there is something as a freeness to your person, and for all the right reasons they don't feel like committing with you, or maybe this was in the past. So yeah, I wanna tell you, whatever is in the past, keep that to the past and move on. Okay, move on with the best possibility of your life in coming days. Okay. Okay, so guys, I've closed your reading. That was your reading. I close it, and I wish you all the very, 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 very best from my side. And any of you who want to book a personal private session with me, book it on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. And like this video, share with whosoever you feel like sharing it with. Comment down below, and I'll see you in your personal reading or in your next reading with me in here. Bye bye. I see you. I love you.